Hey guys, just thought I'd make a quick video on how to install and remove the intake manifold on a Subaru engine block. So this covers all EJ engines. I've actually done it the hard way, and that is removing these bolts and just taking it off the TGV while it was still on the block. And I advise you not to do it that way because it is a PITA, trust me. So the proper way to do it is, instead of removing these small bolts here, you go for these larger ones which go down here. And in there, and there, and there. So there's 4 of these larger ones on each side. And if you remove these, the whole thing comes off as one whole section. So you want to unplug your whole engine loom from every single plug you can see. So these come from the big plugs on the side near the battery, and all these little ones, you want to unplug all those, because that's actually attached to the intake manifold underneath. So this plastic little cover here, that's actually attached, so it's a bit hard to get to the bolts that hold that up to that. So you want to keep that on there. And also your fuel line is also attached to this intake manifold, and so yeah, that's a bit of a PITA to get off as well. So the easiest way to do it, yeah, remove these long bolts over here. So that long, they go down through the TGV and into the block, right there. These ones, and the whole thing just comes off as one whole unit. So already got the gaskets on there. Alright, easy as that. So if you remove these bolts, unplug the whole loom, and of course the fuel lines, so you're going to take those off. And usually the coolant reservoir sits there, and your intercooler obviously has to come off, so everything around the intake manifold will take off pretty much to get to it. And it's heaps easier than taking just the manifold itself off. You want to take it off with the TGVs, and the whole thing just comes off. So yeah. There you go, thanks for watching guys. That's how to remove the intake manifold properly of a Subaru engine. Cheers.